We'll guide you through how to use Inkscape and GIMP together for a seamless design workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your computer. Create your vector design by using the various tools available, like the pen tool for drawing paths or the shape tools for basic geometric designs. Once you're happy with your vector art, you need to export it. Go to the File menu and choose Export PNG Image. Make sure to set the export area to page or selection depending on your needs. Choose your desired resolution and export the file to a convenient location on your computer. Next, open GIMP, go to File, then Open, and locate the PNG file you just exported from Inkscape. This allows you to bring your vector design into GIMP for further editing. In GIMP, you can add textures, apply filters, and touch up your design using its powerful raster graphics tools. You can use the layer system in GIMP to add effects without altering your original artwork, giving you flexibility and control over your design process. If you need to make further changes to the vector elements, you can always go back to Inkscape, tweak your design, and re-export the PNG for continued editing in GIMP. This way, you can maintain high-quality designs by taking advantage of Inkscape's vector capabilities and GIMP's raster editing power. Don't forget to save your work frequently in both programs to avoid losing any progress. By using Inkscape and GIMP together, you can harness the strengths of both programs and create stunning graphics with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.